If you're tired of feeling stuck, waiting for opportunities, or depending on luck to change your situation, please stop scrolling because this book might be the turning point you've been waiting for. This virtual assistant book teaches you real, practical, in demand skills that you can start offering today, from managing schedules, communicating for clients, handling emails, and supporting small business operations, to social media tasks and digital organization. The truth is, businesses are overwhelmed and they desperately need help. They don't need degrees, they need reliable people with real skills. That's exactly what this book teaches you: how to become that person. It's written in a super easy step-by-step format, includes practice activities, real portfolio examples, and strategies to land your first client, even if you're shy or have no experience. Skills are the best investment because once you learn them, nobody can take them away. And trust me, this one skill set can change your financial future forever. So make the choice today. Don't wait. Grab your copy of this virtual assistant book, build skills that pay, and rewrite your life story starting right now. Order now, link in bio.